Mark here, Action Figuratorium. Been a while, thought I would pop back on for a little bit of a Twitch live stream and of course something for the YouTubes. This is going to be an unboxing video. This is a Fisher-Price Tiger the Hunter is what it's called. We'll talk about that. Action figure, 3-inch Zulu warrior. This is going to be cool. Trust me, this is going to be cool. It's coming up today, Action Figuratorium. Hey, so back, here's the figure. We're gonna go straight to looking at the packaging. So this is not really an adult's action figure. This is like a little kid's kind of thing, but you know, just give you an idea. Here's the back. You can see sort of who they're pitching it towards. These are some wee folk here. This figure is part of a series, and you can see the other people in the series of these kind of unique warriors from different eras. There's a Roman guy, there's a pirate, there is a knight, we have a Viking, there's a samurai. So all pretty cool guys. They have goofy names, don't worry about the names. Supposedly, according to the packaging here, you are supposed to have this little arena that you put your guys on, and each guy comes with a card, right? And you put the card there, and it's, you know, and you flip the card, and it's, I assume it's like kind of a rock, paper, rock kind of thing. But let's get into the toy itself. All right, well, let's pull this. So the thing that he's wearing is this weird kind of like a lion head with a weird kind of King Kong skull backpack, and it's like a whirlicopter spinny thing, like a weapon. He holds it and he spins it. It's probably a lot of fun. So let's take a look at the figure, and let me adjust the camera. So this is our figure. He's got some cool face paint, gives him that kind of voodoo Baron Saturday thing that popped up in New Orleans, sort of magic and ritual of the area, and very sort of cool, going back to those movies where the Brits in the redcoats would take on the army of Zulus, and they have on cool war paint like this. And you can see that he's also got some, I guess this would be some jewelry that's painted onto the wrists there, and wearing some type of leopard skin print loincloth, and the leg covers are all pretty neat. The necklace with the teeth on it is actually embossed. It's not just painted, obviously, but it's actually raised on the figure. And comes with this fantastic sort of almost kind of tiki-like looking mask. And of course, you know, sort of war spear. And this is the shield. And it's a little warped from being in the pack, and you could tell when they put it in that they had to bend it. So it has has a little bit of warpage to it. But overall, they seem to be bothered by it. It does have the little tiny lines. They're not painted. Maybe I could go in and sort of dab a little bit of black on those. Might look kind of cool. It has a tendency to kind of want to fall over. I have to find a way to counterbalance. Shield comes down. Maybe he just leans on the shield. So this character is called Tiger the Hunter, right? And I don't know what that means, but because this piece that he comes with is clearly not, this is not, you know, this is a lion's head, not a tiger head. So marketing needs to get together with the guys down in R&D, but on the back of the package, just to give you an idea of the names of the other characters here, there's Axemin the Viking, Wasabi the Samurai, Roman the General, Sir Peter the Knight, and Cliché the Pirate. Okay, so the pirate's name is Cliché. So for this guy, Tiger the Hunter, they're actually being kind of nice. They're being kind of nice when they named him this character. So for that, I don't know. I would say, as far as Imaginext characters go, this guy, oh, check it out. You got the matching, the back of the mask matches the other garb. For an Imaginext character, I would say this is clearly a high 8 for them. As far as just a regular old action figure on the shelf, this is a decent 6+. I think I paid $5 and then $5 to ship it. And he looks like he would be just a lot of fun as an extra hanging out in the space cantina, you know, at the bar with everyone else. I think he'd be a good add to that. Maybe I do some kind of a mock-up where you know, maybe this guy's the bartender, or he runs like a soda fountain, something like that. Doesn't really want to hold the spear very well. Maybe it grips it better down here. I don't know, maybe he's supposed to do that thing where you, you know, you throw it overhand. I don't know. What do you think? How does that look? Terrible? There's no articulation at the elbows, so it's just kind of like a this. And also you have to twist the hand to get the shield to look upright, which is not a big deal. Might be cool to add a little wash to the top here, make it pop out. I don't know. I think this guy needs a little bit of paint. Needs a little bit of paint here on the ankle covers, a little bit of paint on the shield. I think this guy's good to go. So that is this current unboxing. I'm Mark, this is the Action Figuratorium behind me here. At some point we're going to put this guy into his own show. He's going to have his own gallery. He's going to do some amazing things. Who knows, he might even manage to meet up with Indiana Jones at some point. But till then, thanks everyone for watching, who popped in, and we'll see you all real soon.